Hello everybody. So today we are going to see about the IMOU Bullet Lite camera, and its model number is IPC-G22P. It is imported by Dahua Technologies in India. It's a IP67 weatherproof outdoor security camera, and it is having a 1080 pixel video and then the 24/7 protection with weatherproof. And it is having a remote viewing facility through internet in your mobile app, and then it will be receiving the push notifications based on the settings which you have made for intruders, and then the arm settings, and the video playback facility is also there. Now let us see its unboxing. Basically, they have given a quick start guide for the device to connect, a code to connect the device with the mobile app. Positioning map for mounting it in the wall or in the roof. And they have given a weatherproof kit, and then a power adapter, so this is the camera, and then finally they have given a mounting screws. So let us open the pack. So this is the camera. You can rotate it for 360-degree, and they have given a very good strong antenna. The cables you can connect it, and these cables they have provided with two cables. One is the power cable and one is the RJ45 to connect with the Ethernet connection. So this camera is 360-degree rotatable. Have the facility to move vertically 180-degree, so you can fit it even in wall or you can fit it in the roof. And also one more thing, that it have the flip image option, so you can put the camera in reverse manner, upside down or downside up, so the flip image will automatically adjust the image. And they have provided the power cable and then the RJ45 cable. The RJ45 cable will support up to 100 Mbps connectivity, and the Wi-Fi also it have the connectivity. So the Wi-Fi will support 2.4 GHz band for best coverage, and it will not support for 5 GHz bandwidth. Most of the IP camera or Wi-Fi camera will not support 5 GHz band, as it will have good coverage with the 2.4 GHz. So finally, inside the box it is having a bullet camera and a waterproof connector and the power adapter, quick support guide, positioning map, finally a mounting screws. And let us see how it works. So this is the camera. Now we'll see this. See, in the bottom they have given the SD card adapter and the reset button, which is fully protected with the rubber sealant, and the water will not go inside. See, you have to hold the reset button for 15 seconds to reset the camera in future. And these are the connectors, and you can see in the top the lens. Along with that there is a microphone. The built-in microphone will support up to 5 meters. It means the 16.4 feet coverage for audio receipt. You can see the beadings over there in the borders, so the water cannot enter into the device. So let us connect the power adapter and see how we can connect it. So once the power adapter is connected, the red color indicator lamp will get blink. It means that it don't have the internet connectivity and it is powered on. And you can open the app in your mobile, and you have to tap the plus button to add the device into the app, and it will be showing you the scanner, so you can scan the QR code. It will ask you to enter the Wi-Fi name and the password. Then you have to tap next. So they have mentioned that 5 GHz will not support. Now it will be asked, the green color light is blinking. It means that it is connected to the internet and the settings are not done yet. So there is a radio button. It will show you that the green color light will blink. Once you select it, then it will ask you to tap on the next button. Once you tap on that, then the mobile app will start making a noise like a cuckoo, the sound. Then the sound will be detecting in the device. Once it is detected, then the device and the mobile app will get connect. Once it is connected, we can able to monitor. We will be able to monitor the camera in your mobile app, and then it will be showing a free cloud storage for 7 days data you can store in the cloud, and it is free of cost for first 30 days. Later on you have to pay for that. They have a lot of plans. So if you want, you can activate it, and it is showing the device now. So once you tap it, see, here are the settings for that. Lot of features which they are providing, and it will not show you any false alarms and the notifications with the GIF images they are providing. And then here are the settings, the cloud storage, and it is having the local storage, which means that it will be, you can store data for 24 hours non-stop recording, and it will send you alarm also, and it will support that NVR cloud and 128 GB SD card support. And also you can share the device to any of your friends or relatives or family members by using their mail ID. You can send a mail. See the mail, there will be a link will be there. Just they tap it, they will be able to see the camera. So this camera will, so even we can schedule the recordings from Monday to Sunday. They have the settings, and you have your customization timings. So It is like from the night 8 p.m. to morning 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. If you want to record that, you can schedule it. In the daytime, if you don't want, you can disable the feature. And then they have a provision to monitor which area is the sensitive area, like your entrance or the gate, or if it is a junction nearby to your shop or your home, that area you can mark it. So it will send you an mobile notification alert in that particular area. So they have the settings for that also, and they have the HD and SD connectivity also. See now the day and night view of the particular camera. So you can see it in HD or in SD mode. So this camera is a 2 megapixel camera, and which is having 16x digital zoom, wide coverage, and 1080 pixel full HD camera, and the images are crystal clear. While monitoring in your mobile app, you will be able to record it in the mobile app in your phone itself, and also it is having a video compression rate of H.265. So it will occupy less storage and it will occupy less bandwidth in the internet. And it is compatible with Alexa, Google Assist, and the ONVIF protocol, and the company is providing 1 year warranty, and they are providing very good phone support and all. And finally the conclusion is around 4000 rupees you are getting a very good camera with 2 megapixel camera. So in this range it is very good camera, and the view is also crystal clear. It will support for Geo-Fi Wi-Fi internet, and also if you don't have the internet in your Wi-Fi router, you will be able to monitor using your mobile app without internet, but the mobile app and the camera should have to be connected in the same network. You can definitely go for it. Thank you.